Pascal here with Eastview RV with a product spotlight. We all dread having to empty our black tank at the end of the camping day. There's really nothing fun about it. So why don't you make your life easier by using the right products designed for RVs. One particular product that we highly recommend at the store here is AquaChem. This particular product will break down waste in your black tank, leaving it ready to go for when you empty it. But once in a while, we also recommend doing a black tank descaling treatment. This product, called Commando, is a pouch. You simply put it in your black tank through the toilet and fill your black tank with water. Let it sit for about 24 hours and then drain your tank as you normally would. This will remove all the scale on the sensors, on the tank walls, and leave you with a clean tank with working sensors ready to go on your next trip.